Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is your calling is not an accident. You see, there's something important I want to remind us of today. You see, God does not place us anywhere by accident. You see, every environment you walk into, your family, your school, your workplace, your church, carries purpose. You see, in the Bible, God gave Israel the land of Canaan, but it wasn't just about the land, it was about mission. You see, the Canaanites had filled the land with corruption and darkness, and God wanted Israel to shine his light there. You see, they were not given the land to boast, but to be a blessing. You see, the same is true for us today. Where you are placed is not a privilege alone, it's a responsibility. You see, God had given each of us a place to stand, a role to play, a purpose to fulfill. You see, friends, and here's the challenge. We often think we are not ready. You see, we think we are too busy, too broken, we're too unworthy. But God does not call the perfect. He calls the willing. You see, when the call to serve comes, don't step back and say, maybe someone else. You see, because if God wanted someone else, he would have called them. You see, he called you, not because you are the strongest, but because you are the one he will strengthen. You see, not because you know everything, but because he will teach you. You see, friends, not because you are flawless, but because his grace works best through surrendered hearts. You see, so as opportunities to serve God arises, whether it's your home, your community, or the upcoming church nominations, don't hesitate, step forward, because your calling is not an accident. It is intentional, it is divine, and it is yours. God bless.